The topic of today's video is how to make 3D text in DaVinci Resolve. So we're going to work on this picture. Feel free to put in a separate Fusion clip if that's something you want to do, but we're going to work on this image right here, and we're going to do everything in the Fusion tab. So to start off, we need to add a 3D text. So here we want to click on 3D text. Then we want to click on a merge node. That's a 3D merge node, my apology. And then we want to click on renderer 3D. Now you'll see me move these around a lot just to keep everything in order because it can get messy working in Fusion. Okay, so next up we're going to add a multi-merge node, which you can also find right on top here. And then we're going to click on our text 3D. And we're just going to write some random text. Oh, also very important, if your nodes aren't linked, all you need to do is press Shift and then drag with your left stick to link them up. So, random text, let's just write 3D text. Oh, also another thing on top here, make sure you've got two screens because one side is going to show our picture, which you can see on media out, and our left side we're going to click on that, and that's going to show our text. Now we want to link our render 3D to our multi-merge, and now you can see our text is overlaid onto our picture. So now we want to press Shift plus space, and that'll bring up our select tool, and we want to type in directional light. Once you've got it, click on it and press add. And so now you'll see it's already linked up to our merge 3D. I'll probably move these around again to make it all neat. And you can always refer back to check how I've got them linked. Okay, so now that that's all merged up, we're going to go back to our text 3D. And we're going to go to extrusion. And we are going to change our extrusion depth. Now, a lot of the things in extrusion are going to be up to preference, so fiddle around with it, and once you're done, carry on with me. Let's change the color too. Okay, so now we're going to jump over to our directional light node, so click on that. And we've got a new little icon on our left-hand panel screen. So move this to wherever you want it to be. You can rotate it, you can pretty much adjust it as much as you want in the transform section. And when you're happy, join me again. Okay, now we're going to jump over to render 3D, and we're going to enable our lighting and enable our shadows. And you'll see our right-hand side picture has changed. And that is pretty much how you set up 3D text. From here, sky is the limit. Feel free to rotate it, just do whatever the heck you want to do. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing if this video helped you, and I'd love to see you in the next one.